Which value of x is the solution of the given equation 2/3 x plus 1/6 equals 5/2? So this is an equation that has multiple fractions. So before we start to use our inverse operations to isolate the variable x to find that solution, let's get rid of the fractions. We are going to multiply every term in the equation by the least common denominator to get rid of the fractions. So you can see in this equation we have denominators of 3, 6, and 2. So the least common denominator of 3, 6, and 2 is 6. So we'll multiply every term in the equation by 6. So 6 times 2/3 x is going to equal 4x. 6 times 1/6 is 1. So that'll be 4x plus 1 equals now 5/2 or 5/2 times 6 is equal to 15. So once we multiply by the least common denominator, you can now see we have our equation without fractions. We've rewritten it without fractions to make it easier to work with our inverse operations. So we have 4x plus 1 equals 15. So to isolate the variable x, we need to undo or do the opposite of multiplying by 4 and adding 1. So first we'll undo adding 1 by subtracting 1 on both sides of the equation. So that will give us 4x equals 14. And then to undo multiplying by 4, we'll divide both sides by 4. So that will give us x equals 14/4, which that is a fraction. We can reduce the numerator and denominator by a factor of 2 and get that answer in simplest forms as 7/2. So our solution is x equals 7/2, which is answer choice D.